When my toys are on the floor, I can pick them up and more. When it's time to set the plate, I can help. It feels so great. Being part of my family team makes me proud. It's like a dream. I am helpful, yes I am. I can help with my own plan, cleaning up and doing my share. Being helpful shows I care. I put my clothes into the bin. I help my pet, I always pitch in. When someone needs a helping hand, I'm there to help. I understand. Little jobs can make a change. Helping out's not weird or strange. I am helpful, yes I am. Doing chores just like I can. Teamwork makes our house so bright. Being helpful feels so right. One small job, then one more. Helping makes my heart just soar. Family works together strong. When I help, we all belong. We are helpful, yes we are. Shining bright just like the star. Big or small, we do our part. Being helpful warms the heart. Great job helping. Now let's learn taking turns is my superpower.